one of the things that I recommend is you do not put your relationship with your family on Facebook. And the reason I recommend you do that is that it makes it easier for scammers and hackers and spammers and et cetera, to use that data when they're scamming you. So I recommend you do not need to put that information on Facebook. If you look right here, you'll see I have nothing. And I have 4 daughters, I have 4 son-in-laws, I have a wife, and I have a bunch of brothers and sisters, aunts and uncles and cousins. None of that is on there. However, that's on your profile. Now we'll go over here. Now, with permission from my wife, I've gone to her Facebook account and I've added myself under her relationship tab as she is married to me. Right there. She is married to Teddy Burris. And it says pending. Now let's go see what happened on the other side. Now, when Rebecca added me as being married to her, if I should be able to go to my About section, I should be able to go to Family and Relationships. I want to make sure it didn't show up here because even though I love my wife, I don't want my relationships published on Facebook. So it's not under relationships, not under family members, it's not under life events, it's not anywhere. However, I did get a message from Facebook. Here it is right here. From Facebook, it says Rebecca Hoeing Burris tagged you in a post. Let's go review that. Click on it. Now, there's 2 things that showed up here. Number 1, I'm in a post that she made. She made this post saying that she married me January 1st, 1978. That's not the right month. I could add that to my profile if I want, or I could hide it. I'm actually going to hide it. Also, the other thing that came in is that Facebook is telling me Rebecca Hoeing Burris listed you 2 are married and your anniversary is 1978. I can confirm this and it would allow it to go on her profile, or I can ignore it and it will not go on her profile for public information. So if I hit ignore, if I go back to my Facebook, go back to look at my About section, look at life events, there's nothing. Family relationships, there's nothing. But if I go back to her profile, hang on while I do that, you can see that it says she's married since 1978, but it does not have my name on it because I told Facebook with the ignore button, I told them not to put my name on that post. And furthermore, if I look at her life events, there is no life event related to her getting married here. I urge you not to put your relationships and your marital life events on Facebook. It does not need to be published. By the way, if you do put it on Facebook, that may be okay as long as you're only showing it to your friends. Maybe not your friends of friends. Hey, I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risk and the fears of using social media, and I hope this is helpful for you.